We just received USA B1 B2 visa without an interview. I just wanted to share how we applied and the procedure we followed in detail. In this video, I will cover what are the eligibility criteria to apply for B1 B2 visa without an interview process, how to fill DS-160 form, what was the application amount, what are the documents required, how to track application, and how long did it take. These are the key eligibility criteria. Eligibility requirements will let you know if you are qualified to renew your tourist visa without an interview. Your previous B1 B2 visa is still valid and you are renewing within 12 months of your current visa's expiration. You are at least 18 years old when the previous visa was issued. You can apply either in your home country or your country of residence where you currently live. Your visa never been refused unless the refusal was overcome or waived. Regardless of whether you are a new applicant or renewing your US visa, you must fill the DS-160 form. I'll quickly walk you through how to fill this DS-160 form. In Google, just search for DS-160, select DS-160 login. Now click on the first link, Online Non-Immigrant Visa Application DS-160. Choose the country you are applying from, enter this code. Click on Start an application. Now scroll down and click on I agree. Please make a note of this application ID and add secret questions so that you can retrieve your application later. Fill out your personal information, surname, given name. For Indians, full name in native alphabets does not apply. Used other names? No. Telecode that represents your name? No. I'm filling out this application for my husband. Marital status. Enter your date of birth, city, state and country where you were born. Make sure you always click Save button after filling each page so that you can retrieve your data when it's timed out. Country of origin, India. I don't have any other nationality other than India, so my answer is no. I'm not a permanent resident of any other country other than India. This is also no. National identification number. In this field, you can fill your Aadhaar card or PAN card number. Even does not apply, you can select. I don't have US SSN, does not apply. US taxpayer ID number, I don't have, so does not apply. Next is travel information. On this page, you need to provide the information concerning your travel plan. I am renewing B1 B2, so I have to select temporary business or pleasure visitor. In this field, you have to select your purpose. Why are you visiting the US? We are applying for B1 or B2, so it's business or tourism. Have you made specific travel plans? If you have already planned and travel date is confirmed, then you have to book flight and have to update all these details. As of now, we don't have any specific plan, so I click no. I will update some random date here. Let's update 1 week. If any of your friends residing in US, then you can fill their home address, or if you know any hotel you want to stay, you can update hotel address. You have to select from the drop-down list who is paying for your trip. Next is travel companion information. Person traveling with you. You need to add each person detail whoever traveling along with you. Are there other persons traveling with you? Yes. We are not traveling as part of group or organization. If you are traveling with your family, then you have to add each person's detail. On this page, we have to enter previous US travel information. Make sure you provide complete and accurate information to all these questions. Have you ever been in the US? Yes. If you don't remember the date, then don't worry. I have uploaded how to get entry and exit records in the USA. You can watch that video. You have to update your actual entry date and the number of days stayed in the US. You have to provide information on your last 5 US visits. Did you ever hold a US driver's license? No. Have you ever been issued a US visa? Yes. Date last visa was issued. Visa number is the 8-digit number that is displayed in red on the lower right hand side of your visa. Are you applying for the same type of visa? Yes. Are you applying in the same country or location where the visa above was issued? No, because last time it was applied from India, now we are applying from Canada. Have you been 10 printed? Yes. 10 printed means you have provided fingerprints for all your 10 fingers. Has your US visa ever been lost or stolen? No. Has your US visa ever been cancelled or revoked? No. Have you ever been refused a US visa? No. Has anyone ever filed an immigrant petition on your behalf with the US citizenship? No. Next is address and phone information. On this page, you have to enter your current resident address and phone number. Currently, I am residing in Canada, so I am updating Canada address and phone number. Have you used any other phone numbers in the last 5 years? Yes. In this field, I am entering Indian phone number. Enter your email address. Have you used any other email address in the last 5 years? Yes. If you have used any other email address, update in this field, else no need. Do you have a social media presence? If you want, you can update, or else no. Do you wish to provide information about your presence on any other website? I say no. Next is passport information. Passport type is regular. Enter your passport number. Passport book number. Generally, Indian passports do not have passport book number, so does not apply. Country that issued passport, it's India. Where was the passport issued? Here I am entering Toronto, Canada, because he renewed his passport in Canada. Enter your previous passport issuance date and expiration date. Have you ever lost a passport? No. US point of contact information. We have friends in US, so entering their contact detail. Now I have to enter my friend's address and phone number. Next is family information, relatives. You have to update your parents' detail, their full name and date of birth. Do you have any immediate relatives not including parents in the US? No. Do you have any other relatives in the US? No. On this page, you have to update your spouse information. Present work, education or training information. Based on your current employment or education, you have to update this page. He's a software engineer, selected computer science. Update your company name, address and company phone number. You have to update your start date in the current company, your monthly income in local currency and your job role. On this page, you have to enter your previous work, education or training information. Provide your employment information for the last 5 years that you have worked, if applicable. Were you previously employed? If you have worked in multiple companies, then you have to update your previous company's detail. Before coming to Canada, he was working in the same company in India, so updated Indian company detail. Have you attended any educational institutions at a secondary level or above? Yes. Updated his educational details. Do you belong to a clan or tribe? No. You can update the languages you speak. Have you traveled to any countries within the last 5 years? Yes. Within the last 5 years, we traveled to Canada, US and India, so updated all 3 countries. Read these questions carefully and answer accordingly. Next is security and background information. From part 1 to part 5, read all questions carefully and answer accordingly. Nothing applies to him, so I have updated all answers as no. Next is upload photo. US B1 B2 visa photos must be 2" by 2" in color, taken within the last 6 months against a plain white background. He got his photo taken at Shoppers Drug Mart. Let's upload it now. Click on choose file. Photo is uploaded. Now it's processing. Your photo has successfully been uploaded and passed all quality checks. Your photo submission has been accepted. Let's continue using this photo. Confirm the photo. If you want to upload different photo, then you can upload different one. You have completed data entry for your NIV application. Before submitting the application, please review your entries below. To navigate to the next section to be reviewed, click the next button on the bottom of the page. If an entry is incorrect, click on the links on the right side of the page, which will direct you to the page where you entered the data. Please review all pages of your application carefully. Next is sign and submit page. I'm submitting this application on Jan 1st, 2026. Did anyone assist you in filling out this application? No. Enter your passport number, enter this code, click on sign and submit button to electronically sign your application. Application is been submitted successfully now. At this point of time, we cannot do any changes to the application. Click Next. This is the confirmation page. Let's print this application. It says when we go for an interview, only printed confirmation page is required. We can print this application page only for our records. Let's print this application. Let's print this confirmation page. You can also send this confirmation page to your email address. Let's click Exit Application. Now we'll show you how to pay the application fees. Open a browser and type ais.usvisa-info.com. We are renewing temporary visa, so clicking on non-immigrant visa applicants. Find the location where you are applying, then choose your language. Please review all the information below before you scheduling or attending a visa-related appointment. We are non-immigrant visa applicants, so for us the correct option is non-immigrant visa applicants applying in their country of residence or nationality. Applicants for US non-immigrant visa should schedule their visa interview appointment at the US Embassy or Consulate, so click on this link. Now click on country or area and type your country of residence. Scroll down. We need a US visa, so clicking on a US visa. Scroll down. Now click on schedule a visa appointment. We are near Toronto, so choosing Consulate Toronto. For non-immigrant visas, please apply on the appointment website. Scroll down. Here you need to create an account. Scroll down. Please select the condition that best applies to you. Out of these conditions, second condition is suitable for us. I am a non-Canadian citizen residing in Canada who has completed the US non-immigrant visa application form and want to apply for a visa. Click Continue. And this is the sign up page. Fill out all the information to sign up for your user account. Update your mobile number. You can go through this privacy policy and check this box. Now click on Create Account. Link has been sent to our registered email to activate the user account. Let's activate the account. After activating, there is a warning here. The information entered below must match the information you entered on the DS-160 visa application. Any discrepancy will result in an error and prevent you from moving forward with the visa appointment scheduling process. All fees paid within this site are non-refundable and non-transferable. Update all your information. Were you previously issued a visa to enter the United States? Yes. You need to complete the following information from your most recently issued US visa. Visa issuing post name. It was issued in India, so I'm selecting issuing post not listed. Previous visa class, it was B1 or B2. Update your visa issue and expiration date. Are you traveling from another country to apply for a US visa in Canada? It says answer no if you live in Canada or you are a citizen of Canada. Otherwise answer yes. So I am answering no. Now click on Create Applicant. On this page you need to confirm applicant and visa information. Does this visa type match your travel? I have verified the information. It matches, so I am selecting yes. Select the conditions that apply to this applicant. He is not a citizen of any of these. Does not apply. He legally resides in Canada. He has Canadian work permits, so this applies. The previous visa that he is renewing was issued when he was 18 years of age or older. This also applies. He is in possession of the previous visa that is being renewed. This also applies. He is applying for the same visa type as the previous visa. Yes. Select only those statements which applies to you. Do you want to add another applicant? No. Applicant information is completed now. Next step is courier. You can collect your passport after visa processing from the document pickup location you select below. This service is included as part of your visa fee. You will be notified by email when your passport is ready for collection. Courier delivery to a home or business address or additional pickup location is also available for an extra fee. You will have the option to upgrade at the end of the scheduling process. Province is Ontario. Our nearest branch in Toronto is 700 Bay Street. Enter name and address as shown on a government issued photo ID of a person picking up your documents. This person must be an adult. Here I have updated my name and address. Here is the MRV fee details. Fees will be assigned to the applicants listed below. At this point, applicant information cannot be changed and fees are non-refundable and non-transferable. One US visa application fee is $185. Paying by Visa card. Let's pay the fees. We accept only MasterCard and Visa credit cards. By completing this form, your card will be charged $185. Please note, secure payment authorization may take up to 30 minutes. Do not close your browser until you receive a response. Do not use the browser's back button and do not refresh the page. This is very important. If you are unsure of the status of your online payment or receive a timeout or maintenance message after pressing submit when paying the fee online, do not attempt to pay again as this may result in a duplicate payment. Update your billing address. Enter your card detail. Let's make a payment. Check the detail and click continue. Now payment is also done. Received one more email on confirmation of successful payment. Here you need to select the consular section you entered on the DS-160 application. For us it's Toronto. Let's submit. Please wait to receive instructions on the next steps to complete your visa application. Okay. Next step is pending consular authorization. In this section, you will get to know whether you need to attend consular interview or not. You have successfully completed the US visa application registration process. Based on the information you provided, you are not required to attend a consular interview at this time. Due to the high demand of visa applications, the US Department of State has placed your case in the virtual waiting queue. When the consular section is ready to review your application, we will send application submission instructions to the email address you provided when creating your account in this system. Please be advised that it can take several weeks or months before you receive this email. So approximate wait time to receive the instructions email is currently 5 weeks. This is very important note. Failure to follow the application submission instructions will significantly delay processing your visa application as your documents will be returned to you and you will be required to schedule an in-person interview appointment. Let's close this page. I submitted B1-B2 visa application on Jan 1st, 2026. After submission, we have to wait for an email instructions from consular section. After 2 weeks, we received an email from consular section on 16th Jan. US visa personal courier in instructions. To complete this application for a US non-immigrant visa, each applicant listed below must send supporting documents to the US consular section. Depending on the type of visa class, you may need to either scan and email your documents or courier physical documents to the US consular section. Here are the instructions. You must courier your documents into the US consular section. Please gather the requested documents and generate a courier in authorization certificate by clicking the View Courier in Receipt button below. Include a copy of these instructions in the list of documents you send to the consular section. You must include only requested documents. Interview waiver processing times take between 4 to 6 weeks. These are the required documents. First document is current passport. Current passport valid for travel to the United States. The passport must be valid for at least 6 months beyond the period of stay in the United States. Second document is passport containing the most recently issued US visa. Third document is non-immigrant visa application form DS-160 confirmation page. Document number 4. Confirmation and instructions page printed from this website. Document number 5. 1 2" by 2" color photo taken within the last 6 months. The last document is Copy of proof of your legal status in Canada. This is the branch address I had selected while filling the application to send the required documents. Please note, you only have until 17 Jan 2026 local time to change the location where your visa documents will be delivered. That means we will have only 24 hours to change the delivery location. Let's click on this print instructions link. We need to sign in or sign up before continuing. Scroll down. Let's log in. This is the confirmation and instructions page. This entire page is same which we discussed in the instructions email. Let's scroll down to the bottom of this page. Now click on View Courier in Receipt button. Update your current residence address and click Submit. This generates Courier in Authorization certificate. This certificate authorizes us to use the designated CSRA courier to deliver supporting visa application documents to the United States Toronto Consulate free of charge. This certificate is only valid at a number of CPC or BLS location. Before checking this CPC location website, let's go through the instructions below. First instruction is gather all the required visa application supporting documents. Travel to one of our authorized courier locations. Place the visa application documents for your entire travel group and the third page of this certificate for each applicant into one envelope. Present the first page of this document along with the envelope to the courier agent. Make sure you carry these 3 pages along with the required documents to authorized courier location. Now let's check the list of CPC locations which accept this certificate. Document return service using a pickup location. Applicants are notified by email when visa documents are ready for pickup at Canada Post Office. Applicants need to carry their address proof, ID proof and shipment tracking number. Let's scroll down to the bottom of this page. Courier send service. The Courier in Authorization certificate allows an applicant to send documents using the courier free of charge to the US Consular section. Let's click on Document Delivery Locations. Select your province to check the courier facilities in your location. On Jan 18, we received one more email, US Visa Personal Courier in Instructions. It's the same email, but in this email they have attached Courier in Instructions PDF file which we need to take printout. Open this attachment. Let's take a printout of these pages. Let's go back to the email and click on AIS link. We have to log in to get the shipping label. Current status is Send Documents. This is the document delivery location which we have selected in the application. Courier and shipping number is generated. Click on the shipping number. A shipping label has been created. Sender has created a shipping label. An estimated delivery date will be available when we process your package. Click on this print. Print this shipping label and carry this along with your required documents to Canada Post Office. Click on Continue. After sending the documents, you can check the status by using shipping number in Canada Post website. Our document reached Toronto BLS location on 21st Jan. Now let's see how to track application. You can type CEAC state government website to check your application status. Under non-immigrant, click on Check my visa application status. Select your location, enter your application ID, passport number and starting 5 letters of your surname. Enter this code and click Submit. Application was received by the US DOS on 30th Jan and case was created on the same date. Your case is open and ready for your interview, fingerprints and required documents. If you have already had your interview, please check your status after 2 business days. On 3rd Feb, application was approved. On 10th Feb, they issued stating your visa is in final processing. It may take up to 10 business days to be shipped to you. On 11th Feb, we received return travel document shipment notice. The US Department of State Consulate located in Toronto has released document related to your visa application to our courier CPC. This is the tracking number. We can track our document in Canada Post website. Finally, on 12th Feb, we received an email from Toronto Canada Post Office saying your parcel is ready for pickup. Please note, if we don't pick our document within 15 days, they will return the document to the sender. I hope this video was helpful. If you really like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.